Good morning, children. Today we are going to do non-fire cooking. I will teach you that how you can make sandwiches without fire. So, children, for that you need this cucumber cut into small pieces. You need this tomato cut in small pieces, some onion, butter, green chutney and tomato sauce. I have also taken curd, black pepper, salt. All these things are needed. So first what we do, we use bread. You know, children, that for making sandwiches bread is the most important ingredient because we have to make on it. So first we take the breads. Its nutritious value is it is rich in carbohydrate, that you all know, you have studied also. So we used to cut its sides by a knife so that this brown portion will be removed. And in the same way we cut the another set of 3 to remove the baked portion. Handle the knife very carefully, or you can use a glass, or even you can use the bowls to cut it, to give it shape. Now it is ready to make sandwich. Children, to make the fillings, first we have to take curd. We add this cucumber in it. Then we add this tomato and 1 chili I have added so that it will give you taste. Now I am adding some onion on it. After that I add some salt to give it taste, salty taste. Then we also add some pepper in it, powdered pepper, and now we mix it well. In place of curd you can also take cream, you can take mayonnaise according to your choice. So now your filling for sandwich is ready. We just keep it aside, and now we pick one bread piece and spread green chutney over it. Then we spread the content that you have made on it. After that, take another piece of slice and spread tomato sauce on it. It will give you a delicious taste, sweet, salty, sour. So spread tomato sauce over it. Now you place it in this way. Now again we spread the content that you have prepared on it. It is very rich and nutritious because you know, children, that cucumber is the salad item and it is rich in roughage, and these tomato and onion, they are rich in some minerals. So it is rich and healthy and even tasty. Now we take another bread and spread butter over it. First melt the butter so that it will be easy for you to spread on bread. After melting, it becomes easy to spread. So I have spread over it. Now you just again cover it with the third slice. Some brown pieces are left, but doesn't matter. You will get a beautiful and delicious taste. Now to make it attractive, you can use red chili sauce and give a smiley face to it. And we can use green sauce also. And in this way, children, your one sandwich is ready to be taken by you, to be eaten by you, and you will like it. One more I am going to show you now. And we cover the previous content in this way. Now again the second is also ready. We can give some other shape to it. Okay, now I am giving another shape to it. I have made one point, then I spread green chutney around it, and again you can use this tomato sauce to give it the rays like structure. It's ready to be served, and follow the video and make your own sandwich and also share it. Okay, bye children, have a nice day.